getting like pressure-wise, it's actually harder. Like you need to be very precise, disciplined,
and we need to deliver
and push,
from
and
our
we need to
side.
deliver. So the pressure is on.
You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word.
Discussing activewear, we need to bring some poly bags as well. Then we see some strike-offs from the corrosion prints and the screen prints. Then we see the prototype, activewear pricing and fabric. And also printed denim. I want to start development there, so we have a lot to talk.
First thing tomorrow, 5 a.m. flight, because Nicholas loves early flights.
Baby, don't get the phone. Baby, don't leave me alone. Baby, I'm stuck in the cold. I'm begging you. Baby, you should get on board. Baby, you should get on board. Baby, I'm stuck in this cold. I'm begging you.
Now we just went for a facility run through, and like again it's like taking us more than an hour, because like we stop at every station and like just are surprised and like how amazing it is. Like the process is incredible. It's crazy. Oh yeah, no, this is nice.
It's cool.
Yeah, this is perfect for like side panel.
Yeah, side panel. We're looking for
the craziest and best fabric options from around the world. So tough, like the selection, like weaving techniques or knitting techniques, endless.
So it's like pleated, but it goes back to the shape, like.
We check strike-offs from the latest production, prototype for American client, activewear, fabric, printed denim, and some filming. Now on our way to another factory, working on another manufacturing agreement, getting every single detail of the manufacturing process in place. So important.
picking up the blanks
for Blanks launch.
For the blanks launch, we're gonna have a shoot on Monday. Very excited.
Yay!
And just processes, right? The more we write in an agreement, the less discussions we have, because we know exactly what everyone does.
Yes.
And it's always easier and simpler. No, but it's not just a tech pack, it's everything. It's every process,
That's what
everything.
we have been.
Then you stay this time in Braga?
Yes.
It's the same place?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Were you sure about that?
Okay.
Just samples from clients.
Can we show these?
I don't know. Some haven't launched. Hopefully they move into production. Fighting for that. Yeah. Tank tops, hoodies.
Making sure that our fabric stock is correct in the system, like matching up system. Because the last few weeks we had some mismatch, and then this was causing delay because the fabric was not at the right place in the factory. So now we need to make sure that numbers in the factory are matching with the system.
Long day?
Long fucking day. Since 4:30 a.m. Okay, that for me, the biggest learning out of like the factory management thing is that we are a generation that we're not patient at all with any processes. We want everything immediately. We have this like consumerism addiction or whatever, that we want instant things to happen, and some things take time. Like also people need to adapt to processes, new ways of doing. Like we're changing the industry, and this is not gonna happen in a week, you know. And we want things to change in a week, and it's not possible because we have a really focused vision, but we need to explain it to these factories, explain these processes, like really get them into the process. And this is time, like for changing a whole industry. I don't even want to imagine how much time you need.
So Knitwear factory now, getting some content for the knit guide and checking latest developments, and check some beanie, like perfect material composition. to get like the perfect fit for like the Arc'teryx Mini. It's super dope.
Because with cotton you cannot get this fit always in the same fit.
Yeah, yeah. It's 50% merino and 50% recycled polyester. Yeah, so on the outside we have some jacquard and then double jersey on the inside, so have an elastic fit, so it always stays in shape for long.
It's like
Knit sample here, and we found that there's too little contrast between the primary ecru color and the white color of the jacquard logo. So now they just changed the machine on a darker ecru color, like more a beige, and that we can adapt the sample right away to save time. We're massively behind schedule.
Where are we going after?
Another factory. Important meeting to get some speed into the process. Currently experiencing some delays in the timeline, so now we need to fix it. Yeah, today was an interesting day. We always just came to Braga immediately, did our factory tour, back on the plane and out. And now we're at a point where we drop by the factory, have a short meeting, cover our to-do points, and move and like get home at like an acceptable time, you know. And now we're good. So funny.
more stuff.
So here we're at the fabric production, where we have all the circular knitting machines. It's literally like the start of everything. And for making a super high quality product, you need super high quality fabric. So here we have a bad example of a mixed fiber composition fabric, but you see 3 types of yarns getting feeded into the knitting machine. So you have one type of cotton there, you have a polyester thread there, and you have an elastane thread there. It then goes into the machine, gets fed into the needles, turns around and builds up kind of row by row the fabric, and then gets collected at the bottom. And it goes so much into creating a really high quality fabric. And right now we had not like super relaxed meeting. It's like we figured out everything in our production network, but there still are some issues with like shrinkage of our fabric, that like shrinkage is too high. Smaller shrinkage is, the less testing, the easier it is, the more efficient production is.
Are we getting it fixed?
Are we getting it fixed? Yeah, we're getting it fixed. Like, it's just about putting on pressures on suppliers. They need to find solutions. So with this supplier, we have we know him more than 3 years. So they trust us. We have a history that goes way back. So the conversations are very different. It's really about finding the issue together. Right now, the urgency to find a solution is incredibly high, because this is pretty much the last area that we need to figure out. But as soon as we did that, we're really at an incredible stage with 16 factories in Portugal, where we have a supply network and a system that runs, hopefully, super smooth. So here we're at our latest factory, CMT factory, so cotton soup product, number 16. So let's have a look around. Polybag, our packaging for every t-shirt, every hoodie. And then we need to be very accurate regarding the law. Obviously made out of 100% recycled plastic, obviously. But then, depending on where you ship your product, you have to indicate these different icons to be on the safe side regarding the law. Stay legal. So this factory has a crazy cutting setup, and then you have this Gerber spreader machine. So you put on the fabric roll into the machine, then you kind of hop onto this stand and cruise along the table to layer up the fabric on the cutting table. These kind of machines hype me up. They look awesome. On the computer you will see the entire cutting pattern displayed on the cutting table. You can place it according to the maximum efficiency, and then this machine does its magic and cuts every piece to precision.
What am I supposed to say? Hey, tell me. I think I have a good gut feeling about this factory. Like, they like us, they want to work with us. And I'm excited about seeing that people believe in Knitwear in our project. I'm nervous right now, Max. I don't want to talk. Wait, I need to talk to Verena. I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
That was good. I liked it. Nana, what's with you indoors?
Oh my gosh.
That was good, Nana.
It was good. Are you proud of me?
Very much.
I mean, I'm learning from the best. Nicholas looks him in the face and says, "You get me this," and he gets it. And I'm trying to be like that.
That was great.
But we're getting there, guys.
Very like scary, like very
Me?
yeah, on it.
I'm in the OS the like all day, and I want them to tell me like how to improve it because I'm so into it that I don't have perspective, you know. So it's crazy how every factory works so different
Yeah.
and ask for so many different stuff that I feel like we should build a server for each factory.
And now with the 16 factories we got, it's pretty incredible. I mean, like half a year ago, no way. Like pressure-wise,
Yeah.
it's actually harder. Like
Yeah.
we need to be very precise,
Yeah.
disciplined,
And we need to deliver
and push,
from
and
our
we need to
side.
deliver. So the pressure is on.
I just received a super cute email from a client that we were dealing with customs bureaucracy shit. Look, they made a bed of boxes.
And now I'm just like absolute dead. My brain is cooking. My email box is full because like the business is still going on, but we're focused for 3 days in the factories, just fixing issues, meeting everyone, talking about the issues that happen and finding solutions. Super confident and proud to see three years into this project. Really like now I'm going home super happy and satisfied with the network of factories we have, with the people we work with, because I trust them, I trust the processes that we've built up so that we change the fucking industry. And now I'm done.